Hello everyone. The ISI exam is on the edge, and now today we are here to come and discuss what are some of the tips that you should keep in mind, not only for the Indian Statistical Institute exam, but also in general when it comes to Delhi School of Economics, MSc, IGIDR, etc. To begin with, the first thing that you must keep in mind is that you have to enjoy every moment of writing the exam. You have given a complete year of your practice to prepare for this exam. You do not have to panic on the day of the exam. You have to be sure, you have to be confident that you know what questions are going to come in exam. I would encourage all of you to take proper sleep before the exam and do not try to study for late night hours and do not give up on your sleep. When it comes to the instructions that are given on the website, prospectus, read those carefully. Read the examination hall details carefully mentioned on your admit card. Don't load yourself up with lots and lots of information on the very last day. Try to go ahead and revise only that information which you have been thorough with throughout the year. Don't try to overexert yourself just before the day of the exam. While writing the exam, don't spend too much of a time on one single problem. Start by allocating uniform time on problems. If you think that, one question is taking too much time and you're stuck on the question, switch. Go to the next question. It's okay. You can visit this question later on. But for now, you have to switch to the next question. There are some more advice that I have to go ahead and I have to give. This is especially for the MCQ part. Now, one, you have to go ahead and choose the best method. For some people, the best method of solving a multiple choice question is not finding the right answer, but eliminating the wrong answers. So it is okay. You use your best method to go ahead and solve the problem. You trust your experience. You trust yourself. And because the ISI exam has a subjective part to it also, I would not suggest to write tons and tons of paragraphs. Long answer does not mean that the answer is going to be a good one. Be precise, carry your pen, pencil, carry your scale, carry your highlighters, draw neat diagrams, draw good flow charts. They are the best. So for example, if there is a question on monetary transmission, nothing like drawing a flow chart. So draw flow charts to show how accurate your understanding for the answer is. Now, I will also go ahead and give you few examples to write the answers, and you can go through those also.